Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. And here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with spare tire and carrier, heated enclosed underbelly, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, automatic levelers, outside kitchen sink, solar power prep, outside kitchen refrigerator, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, quad step entry, roof ladder, LED exterior lighting, quad slides, 2 kitchen stools, mini blinds, 2 ACs, USB charging station, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, wardrobe with storage drawers, solid surface sink covers, overhead kitchen storage, dual lights over headboard, fire extinguisher, smoke detector, interior grab handle at entry door, high-rise faucet, mirrored wardrobe doors, ceiling fan, vanity with sink, interior speakers. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers from some of the most popular brands. So stop by or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 45 years. Welcome to the family.